today here I'm, just introducing myself and about my movies. So thank you so much that everyone came here to support me and to know and to the reach people. So thank you so much for that. So let's begin. So I start from the beginning now. I came here for Marumuga movie, which is like Entertainment Unlimited banner. They called me for just for audition, so that's how I just landed here. And there was like yes or no for me that time, and I really thought yes, I want to do in Tamil cinema. I want to be in Tamil cinema, so that's how I came here. And I got the Marmugam project through John sir. Again, Uyir Kuiraru, which is Vijay Manoj Kumar director sir is there. Again, John sir given me that project, so that's how I started.
Ninga kelvigal, you can shoot questions.
Sorry? இல்ல அப்படி இல்ல
கார்த்திக் வாங்கி கொடுத்தாலும் நடிப்பாங்க.
Experience, yes, I should say this first. என்னன்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எனக்கு தமிழே தெரியாது முன்னாடி. இப்போ ஒரு அட்லீஸ்ட் in 1.5 years something is like that now. I should say from the Marumugam, director Kamal sir, he taught me like anything. Before I used to do modeling and all, but Tamil experience like என்ன சொன்னேன்னா ரொம்ப டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருக்கு. லைக் எவ்ரிஒன் லைக் தமிழ் சினிமா. சவுத் இந்தியன் தான் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் எல்லாருக்கும். ஏன்னா நார்த்தில் நீங்கள் பஞ்சாபில் பாருங்க, ஆக்சுவலி அவன் பஞ்சாபி, ஸோ தட்ஸ் ஒன். ஸோ அங்கே என்னென்னா ஷாருக் கான் பாருங்கள், தீபிகா பாதுகோன் பாருங்கள், எல்லாம் they want to be from the Tamil, they want to start from there. So comes to me, I really love that, and my experience with this, I don't know why I'm so attached with this. So I should say my experience is very pretty cool in Tamil industry, I should say, and I really hope that it will be like that. அப்படி சொல்ல முடியாது. I want to act with anyone, so like everyone, all the heroes, nothing is like that. Sorry? I should say glamour plus homely. And mari actually character irukku, like real life la, so I go for both.
What he asked now, the actress from Bombay, yeah, they are always going for glamour characters. So what about you? Are comfortable with the glamour?
Yes, I am comfortable with
and
glamour.
Why the Bombay people they are choosing glamour only?
Why? See, it's about the think, I should say. What they think, it's like they have a beauty, they have everything. I'm not saying South India don't have beauty. They have much, we appreciate, but they are more comfortable to do that. If you ask me, it's my opinion, nothing else. Expectation is being top. Sorry? What kind of? It's like see, I need glamour, yes, because somewhere I feel it's important in our career, and in stories, in scripts, it's like that for me. So I go for homely also, I should say. ஆமா.
What he is?
Yeah, so many. They know everyone. Simran,
yeah,
Khushbu ma'am, Sneha. Sorry? My friends.
No, no, no. What he is asking, the heroines.
They actually said about Simran ma'am. So that's how.
She gave any advice to you?
Who?
Simran?
No.
No. Anybody gave you any advice?
Yes, I should say Sneha.
Sneha.
Ma'am, yeah.
Let's talk about it, please.
Yes, I speak
Where,
out
when,
Sneha. That
how?
we met in like a common place. So she just said me, Preeti, you should do what you like, you know, just not for homely. That time I was shooting Marumukam, so that's how I met her. So she said, you should be comfortable with the character. Do what it should be glamour, it should be, you know, homely, it should be anything, you know. So, see, she just told me that. So I really appreciate and really, you know, like that, you know, the senior actors appreciate you like that and they keep you somewhere. So I really like and I'm thankful to her. Sorry?
How many languages you know?
I know only Tamil, English, Hindi, like that.
Tamil, English,
Punjabi,
Hindi,
Sindhi,
Punjabi,
Gujarati, all the north, you know, Marathi, all that.
Marathi, no.
Yeah. Role model. No, I didn't.
ஏதாவது இந்த காதல் கல்யாணம் அந்த மாதிரி ஏதாவது பரபரப்பாக கேட்டிங்கன்னா நாளைக்கு ஏதாவது டைட்டில் போடுறதுக்கு யூஸாக இருக்கும். கேளுங்க பாவல்லாம் ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. அப்படி போடுங்க, வாங்க அப்படி வாங்க வழிக்கு.
Sorry?
குடும்பத்தில் குழப்பத்தை உண்டு பண்ணாங்க.
I didn't get you.
Kissing scenes.
Yeah, it was in Marumugam.
Yeah, you talk about the lip kiss in Marumugam.
Okay, it was in Marumugam and it was, see, if you say like how Sir said, you know, Mumbai girls are very, you know, like why they want to do glamour and all. For them, I should not say they are very broad-minded and all. It's wrong then. For me, it's a scene. So what director sir said, it's required to the script. So I just did that, and it was really, yes. For a minute, we were so nervous to do that. So that's how it happened.
Would you want to draw a line with respect to doing glamour roles? Where do you want to draw the line? Like you wouldn't prefer doing that kind of glamour oriented role? Is there a line you would like to draw, or you're open?
I can't say it's open. It's every character has some limits. So for glamour also has some, you know, the line. So you should not always.
Can you elaborate a bit?
If I elaborate, I should say it should not be vulgar. If I say it should, you know, if family or kids or anyone, you know, our family also comes and watch the movie, so they should not feel bad. You know, what is this, and you know, that should not be there. So otherwise, glamour is fine.
Is there any kind of specific role, other than one, which you dream of taking up? Some kind of role, maybe a woman-centric character, which you would prefer to take up and enact yourself?
Actually, I like to be going with heroine-oriented movies. If you see, I choose Marumugam because it's more over the girl. You know, the girl has to run that. Same in Uyir Kuiraga, it's also like that. So yes, coming up projects I see in that way, where girls, you know, get so much of importance with the message, you know. So I go for that actually.
If you are going for any hero movies, you won't get it. Then how you will do it?
No, there should be, you know, a girl importance should be there. I don't want to just come for 2, you know, songs and just come for 3 scenes and go back. Sorry?
You understand? Can I explain?
Ajit sir. So I should say yes, I'll go for that.
ஃபார் அஜித் ஒன்லி. அஜித்துக்காக நாங்கள் விட்டு கொடுப்போன்றாங்க, வேற ஒன்று. ரைட். About your opinion in love.
Love? No. No. Sorry? Yeah. Yeah, I love that. Sorry?
யா, அது வந்து தமிழ் இண்டஸ்ட்ரியில் அந்த அர்த்தம் கிடையாது. அம்மா அப்பாவை லவ் பண்ணுறேன்னு சொன்னா ஃபேக்லாம் சொல்லாதப்பான்னு சொல்லிடுவீங்க. அதனால் இன்னும் லவ் பண்ண ஆரம்பிக்கல.
Yeah. I can't say that. Actor you're saying, right? Who? Actor, that's what I'm saying. Comfortable to me.
4 ஹீரோ: Daniel Balaji, Anup, and Sanjeev against Sharan. 4 people. In the 4 people, who you like most?
I can't define like that because in the set they were so comfortable kind of. So I can't say only one person. It will be bad then. So I felt they were so comfortable with me. So I didn't get that feeling I'm not comfortable whether I know Tamil or I don't know my dialogues or whatever. They were comfortable. They are good guys and good actors. Yes. So I felt comfortable. Nothing else. Sorry?
Apart from your acting movies, did you watch any Tamil movies?
Not recently. It was like Edirneechal what I saw last.
Yeah, Edirneechal பார்த்தேன்.
Modeling is very much different and acting is very much different. From my perspective is that because when I was doing modeling, it's only the ramp shows, the designer ramp shows and all you can do it. But acting is completely different. You live your life in acting, I should say. Modeling, it's not that. And in acting, you have so many faces: the crying, the smiley, the love, the romance, the dramatic, everything you have, the fun. So I feel for me, it's very, different from